During safety briefing and in case of emergency, do not use elevators. Crew members will be stationed along the evacuation routes to assist and direct you to your muster station. These crew members are easily identified by specific colored hats, and they are positioned along hallways and stairwells. During safety briefing, you do not need to bring your life jacket with you. You may proceed directly to your muster station, and there is no need to return to your stateroom. Please be advised that the use of cell phones, smoking, drinking, or eating during the safety briefing is strictly prohibited. In the unlikely event of an emergency, a crew alert announcement will be broadcast, supplemented by a dedicated signal. The meaning of this announcement is to alert team members with emergency duty to proceed to their emergency stations and be prepared for the general emergency alarm that could follow. The general emergency alarm consists of 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast on the ship's whistle, supplemented by the same signal over the loudspeakers. If you hear this signal and are nearby your stateroom, please return to your stateroom, collect your life jacket, and take it with you to your muster station. If you are not near your stateroom when the emergency alarms sound, proceed directly to your muster station where you will be provided with a life jacket. Personnel in the muster station will instruct you on how to put on your life jacket. Remember to bring any essential medications you may need and your passport. If you could not retrieve your essential medications, please inform the personnel in your muster station and someone will attend you accordingly. If your child is participating in a Camp Carnival activity when the emergency arises, first go to your stateroom, collect your and your children's life jacket, and proceed to your muster station. The youth staff will escort